Patrick from Anderson Design Fabrication. Today we're going to be doing a quick down dirty install of our all new 2025 Subaru Forester ditch light brackets. So unlike our previous models to where they mount into the hinge bolts right here, the new 2025 Forester actually comes with two factory holes on both sides to allow our ditch light bracket to mount to without having to remove the hood bolts. Each bracket is marked L and R right there at the end of our part number. These will slip up over the hood hinge, and then the new provided hardware will mount that directly to the hinge itself. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is take our new ditch light bracket, marked with an L because we are on the driver's side. Slide it up over the hinge, like so. And then take the provided hardware, M6 by 25s, and slide those into place. Once those are in place, then we take the provided flange nuts and install those on the back side. Take a 10mm end wrench or socket. Now that both sides are tight, now you can begin to install your new ditch lights. We prefer to run the diode dynamics ourselves. We've been running these for years and never had any problems. Provided hardware, just mount directly to the top of the ditch light bracket there. And then you finish your wiring and the job is complete. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at awdadventure.com.